Hello and welcome to the 8th episode of our weekly Unity tip Roundup, where we take a look at the tweets that were posted or mentioned on or around each Tuesday under the Unity tips hashtag. Another week has passed since our last episode and we found some more fresh and exciting tips for all of you out there. In this episode we gathered tweets that were posted, shared or retweeted around 1st of March 2022. We start this week with a tip from AI Anonymous, a full-time indie developer with 801 followers. The tip deals with a problem that most Unity developers may have encountered once or twice in their career, and that is incredibly annoying. We are talking about those times when Visual Studio suddenly forgets how IntelliSense works and there seems to be no way to get it back to working order. But here comes the tip from AI Anonymous. Go to the Preference window and click on Regenerate Project Files. This should fix the problem in no time. It seems like Peter, also known as Sunny Valley Studio, developed the habit of posting quality Unity tips. And it looks like he is successful, since he, again, made our list. By the way, he is really close to 500 followers. Let's see who will help him over this step. His tip is for all of those that don't really like the plethora of modules that the particle systems come with. In reality, you rarely need all of them. But did you know that there is an option to hide the unused ones? Click on the little plus icon in the top right and uncheck the Show All Modules option. This will clean up the list nicely. Thomas is a game developer from Belgium. He already has 39 followers on Twitter. If you like his tip, head on over there and add to his follower count. His tip is a bit more complex. He explains how you can add a field to the inspector which shows a list of the available tags. Be sure to check out the thread as the explanation is in the answers. This will remove the chance of typos in tags if you need to have a member that holds one in your script. Mark is an indie developer at Pop-Up Asylum. His interests are in game development, Unity, VR and his two kids. He currently is developing BBQ, a VR party game for up to 5 players. He recently surpassed 1000 followers on Twitter. If you are doing a lot of raycasting in your UI, his tip may be exactly right for you. He shows a way to eliminate the need for manual raycasts by extending the base Raycaster class. This lets you add your own functionality with ease. Check out the graphic for a full example. Piotr is a developer at Infinite Dreams, and from his profile we can read that his game Skyforce Reloaded is available on Tesla cars. That is really awesome, congratulations! For a link to his latest project, a party racing game by the name Speedmazing, check out his profile. It seems kind of weird that he only has 193 followers. His tip is a short one and shows that it became possible to reference multiple components of the same type on the same game object more precisely. If you need to do this, it definitely got easier. And to finish up the list of this week, here is a tip from us. If you need to have your own code run before the default mono behavior methods, when you instantiate a new game object, simply deactivate it first. After you run your own code, do not forget to activate it again. Since this might sound a bit complex, we added an example in the image. And we already reached the end of this week's list. We hope that we could show you a few things that you did not already know, or maybe we brought them back from the depths of your mind to help you out. Please, as always, keep in mind that these tips are made by the community and we merely aggregate them to a list. So please check out the profiles of the original creators and leave them a few likes or follow them. There is always a good chance for more great tips in their backlog or even in the future. Once you have exhausted yourself digging through the vast amount of great tips on Twitter, you may want to relax a bit. We can recommend going to our channel and watching the other episodes of this series or checking out our Unity tutorials. If you like our content, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. For any questions, comments, recommendations or requests, please use the comment section. Thank you for your time and see you next week.